Meaning of glassware.
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 Glassware. Glassware refers to any objects made of glass that are used for household, scientific, or decorative purposes. Glassware can include drinking glasses, wine glasses, vases, bowls, and laboratory equipment such as beakers and test tubes. These objects are usually transparent or translucent, allowing light to pass through them. Glassware is versatile and can be shaped and colored in a variety of ways, making it a popular choice for both functional and decorative items. Overall, glassware is an important part of human history and culture, and it continues to be widely used and appreciated today.